What's going on, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ty.
I'm Ryder.
I'm James.
And today we are doing a big planter.
Very big.
Yeah.
We're going to start off and do some measurements for you guys so you know how big it actually is.
So this is about 20 and a quarter inches. Yep. 20.25 inches. If that's big enough for you. And about 19 and 3/4 inches high if you fill it to the brim. So 19.75 height. Anyway.
Right. So we'll be filling it with the Deb's Greenhouse soil mix.
After he puts this soil in, we're going to add some slow release fertilizer as usual.
I'm going to water it down. This is clearly going to need a lot of water. That's about enough water for now. Obviously,
Slows.
it's pretty big.
So next we'll be adding the slow release fertilizer.
We use this every video.
Since it's such a big pot, we might need to use a bit more.
Yeah.
Okay, now this mix is inspired by a planter that my mom did in Cold Lake. Maybe she has a picture she can throw up for you. But we are going to start off with, what is that called again?
This is the centerpiece.
One big old centerpiece. This is Ryder's mom's thing.
Yeah, this is her plant. I can't remember what it's called.
Oh.
She'll put it on.
She'll put it in the caption right above our heads right now.
Yep.
We also have smaller versions of this plant to sell in the greenhouse.
Just in case you didn't want to go big and you went home.
We also do have limited stock of this, so make sure you get here and get yourself one of these.
So we're going to make a big old hole in this thing. Oh. All right. James is going to get it out of there. James is going to get some help getting it out of there. Yeah. There it is.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice and healthy.
Right in the center.
Right in the center,
As the centerpiece would go.
usually.
Read this one. This is yours.
Next, we are going to do 4 Ipomoea.
Potato vines.
Yeah. I'm not going to pronounce the second word. It's an Ipomoea.
And then after that, we're going to go in with 4 Supertunia Mini Vista Hot Pinks.
Hot pink.
Okay. Ipomoea on the corners.
Mm-hmm.
And make sure you're facing it out. Or else you're just going to have a trail in the middle. Just the last one.
Beautiful. Nice and green. All right. Oh, we only have. Do we have 2 and 2?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, we have 2 hot pinks and
No, 4 hot pinks
2 hot pinks and 2 pink stars.
yeah,
on each side.
2 hot pinks and 2 pink stars. So this one has some white in it, and the other one's just straight hot pink.
These go like hot pink, pink star in between.
Wait, what?
Yeah. They're only like 2 hot pinks, pink star in between.
Oh, we have 4 hot pinks.
Yeah, 4 hot pinks. That's why I said 4 hot pinks. That's just the one part. Where's the hot pink? Or the pink star, sorry.
I don't know. Oh. Best thing about working in a greenhouse is your body's a napkin. Just for dirt, though, not for mustard and stuff. Obviously, come on.
Okay. You got those 3 in?
Yep.
Alright, perfect. Now, next is the Rudbeckia Sunbeckia Ophelias.
Ooh, try saying that
Just like
4
that.
times fast. And if you can do that, then say it 4 more times fast. I bet you can't do that. I'm running out of ideas here.
Chug
Where's this go?
a gallon of milk.
Don't do that.
All right, then after that, we're gonna go on with Petunia Dara Bloom Watermelon colored. So this has a bit of a darker shade.
What color's
to
watermelon?
it inside? So it will be a red, pink red color.
Yeah.
It's to add a bit of pink.
Even though we already have pink.
Cherry.
It's like a darker pink.
That's what he's got.
Well, you see, everything was put in the box. How it goes in the pot.
Yeah, so right here.
So yeah.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay, so there's one on each side. I'm assuming.
Where's the other one?
Who's got it?
Right here, I got it.
Oh, okay. Nice. Very nice.
Very
Just a little extra because it's so big. All right.
Well, that's all.
That is all for the. What is it called?
Big basket.
It's
just
it's a
planner.
it's a planner.
Yep.
Big planner. Buy it.
Yeah, we sell these pots empty, so come in, make your own. We can even help you recreate this mix if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, this will be on
Or-
display, not for sale, but
You can do it if you want. As you can see, if we can do it, you could probably do it as well. Probably better. Anyway, we are the Plant Guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you right now. See you in the next one.